Welcome to Cumulus Electrical, your one-stop electrical hub. As you can see for this video, na single phase sewing machine electric motor. Wetin be the problem of this electric motor? Na Madam Enzi Fashion Academy na get this sewing electric motor. The problem na bearing. The bearing no good for the rotor and the capacitor no good. As you can see, now the bearing wire they fix. If you check well, you go see say when I put the bearing, it can be say the new one when I buy too oversized to the spindle. Now I make I can dey create a punch on the spindle so that it go fit hold tight for the bearing. So as you see so, now the bearing why they make a punch for the spindle so that it go fit hold. I go do and finish. When I complete them, I can add the